Hello guys, good morning. I'm just gonna do a quick video, quick daw, pero let's see kung quick ba. I'm doing cleaning up kasi pinalayas na ako sa old bathroom namin, which is ang anak ko ng lalaki ang nag-own ngayon. So I need to, hindi pa ako sana ready na mag-move kasi hindi pa tapos yung ano namin closet ko, so I can organize my stuff there. Ang dami ko kasing pagbabae, ang daming chichiborichi ganon. So but then napagod na rin ako sa kaka hear ng complain ng anak ko. When daw ako mag-move siguro kasi gusto niya talaga yung private niya na talaga. So nadi-disturb ko kasi siya palagi kasi I've been using his bathroom and closet. So yung closet hindi ko pa siya pwedeng i-move out yung mga gamit namin, yung mga clothes ko kasi nga if ang installation ng mga closet shelves ko is on the 21st of July. So, kailangan ko na naman siyang i-move out. So, ayaw kong pabalik-balik. So, I wanted to be done once. So, yung closet, hindi ko siya i-touch muna. Not until my closet is done. Pero yung mga stuff ko sa bathroom, which is, I think I have enough space naman sa bathroom namin. Kasi it's done naman yung bathroom, yung na lang, yung bathtub na lang yung hindi pa. But the rest is already done. Naiinis na ako sa ngipin ko. Nangangailangan na naman to ng Kasi yung ito dito ko, yung dito, is na yan, veneer na kasi yan. Ito. Kasi ang nangyari kasi gumanito na yung dito ko dati. Kaya nag-veneer ako ngayon. I see some future. Kailangan na naman malaking halaga. But anyway guys, dami ko pang sinasabi, no. So, may natanggap ako galing DHL na naman. So, this is the one that I will opening it today. So, dami ko pang sinasabi guys, pasensya na. But anyway, I'm just making a story what I did. So, I'm just gonna do quick video for this one. Para ma-share ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga na-receive ko. So, ayan. Natin. Oh, yay. Finally, if na-remember nyo yung sinabi ko yung last time na pearl na in-unboxing ko din. 'Di ba? Lang yun, ring lang yun alone. I know, earrings. So now may turn na siyang ring. So let's see if it fit. I think it fit. Ayan siya. I think dito siguro. Medyo maluwag dun sa kasi yung as I always said, yung kasi yung right hand natin or fingers are bigger than the left side. So, ayan siya guys. So, ito. So, may na siya. May kasama. So, ayan siya guys. Ito yung hitsura ng ating ring. Ang ganda niya. So, this is a diamond and the pearl. So, hindi siya masyadong match kasi yung earrings is alone lang na ito. But, this one has the diamond on it. But it's okay still. So, I didn't win the necklace. May necklace to siya guys, pero hindi ko na panalunan. But, it's okay. There's always next time naman. So, kailangan ko siyang hubarin. So, this is a platinum guys. So, baka may mga gusto. This is a platinum black pearl with diamond on it. So, this is a size 6. I think this is size 6 if I'm not wrong. Hold on. I can check for you. This is a size I think if I'm not wrong. So size 6.5. So this is size 1.5. Ayan, ang ganda niya guys. Ayan. This is a platinum which is good. Ang mahal ng platinum pag dito sa ibang bansa guys. Kasi mas mahal pa to siya sa sa gold. But anyways, yes, this is a size 6.5. This is not really black, but it's like a grayish pearl with the diamond is meron naman yung 12 yung diamond niya, yung karat ng diamond niya. And I don't know how much is this. I need to see. I need to check how much did I paid for it. So it's like so this is a $530 kung gusto nyo guys i-mine. So ayan siya guys. So I got 2 packages that I need to open. Di ko siya minsan kasi pag inopen ko, kaka-open ko lang, isusuot ka siya the whole day. But today, since I'm cleaning up, I don't want to scratch it. Kasi binibenta ko siya. Pero pag hindi naman siya mabenta, guys, it's fine. I can have it. No problem. So, ayan. So, this one is, let's see anong laman nito. Actually, this is from Japan, guys. So, ito po ay galing Japan. Lahat ng mga items ko, unless stated siya, basta sa jewelry, at yung mga Gucci, mostly is from Japan. The next one is the wedding band with the diamond and blue sapphire net. It's pretty. Look. It's so pretty. So this is size, I think this is 5.5, if I'm not wrong. Hold on, I need to check. So i-check ko siya. This is it says 4.5. 6 1/4. But I don't know, seems like smaller. But yeah, this is the look. I love it. This is pretty. You can use it as a wedding band. Yan, ganon. See? And this is a platinum, guys. 3.9 grams platinum with 37 ounce, 137 ounce of diamond. I think this is the diamond carat ang nito, ang tinutukoy nila. Or this is I'm not sure. It's 0.25 engraved kasi. So I don't know if they mean it in the diamond, but mostly kasi diamond yung tinutukoy nila. Kasi yung sapphire naman is just, I think there is no carat with the sapphire stone. But I think they are saying it's a 0.25 engraved is the diamond. So the carat of the diamond is 0.025, which is nakalagay naman siya. And this is a platinum, guys, as well. So maganda siya kasi ang platinum kasi, guys, is strong. Hindi siya basta-bastang na. So that's why mas mahal siya sa gold. Kaya ayan. And this is also from Japan. Ay, ang ganda nito. Pwede siya ganito, oh. Ayan, oh. So ayan. So parang wedding band siya. Wedding ring. Ayan, pwede siyang gawing wedding ring. I can have it if I want to. But kasi may binilhan ako ng asawa ko ng sapphire din na parang engagement ring. So, pwede ko siyang But anyway, this is cheap, guys. This is cheap. I think, no, not really cheap, but I think this is, how much did I bought it? This is $320. 320 for this one. So this is have the 0.25 carat diamond with a sapphire on it, sapphire, and a platinum. So this is really nice since it's platinum. I liked it. So this is 320 sa mga gustong magmain nito. Ay, nagbibenta na ako ha. But anyway guys, that's all for today, and I really appreciate your support to me all the time, and thank you so much, and it helped a lot. So ayan siya guys. Yan. Sa mga may gusto, just mine. Comment mine. Anyway, bye guys. Have a great day. And I love you all. Bye! 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 Huy, mag-end ka na. Bye! So, bye guys.